Hello, good afternoon, you guys. Welcome back, Diamond Crew. Hope you guys are ready. Diamond Crew. Let's go. Now, this next job that I have for the day, lined up for today, in this video is Interactive Resources LLC. And the job role for this company will be remote fraud specialist. And it's based out in Wisconsin, Milwaukee. And this stay-at-home job, this 100% remote job, is basically for Milwaukee residents only, you guys. I will warn you guys right now in the beginning of the video. And it starts at $18 to $20 per hour full-time job position. And it's a contract job. And the full job description is here. Join our team today in the contract to hire fraud support associate position with a client of ours. Remote position, however, you must live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. What does the job involve? Fully remote role supporting digital payments fraud operations team, including alerted transaction review, transaction account, research, and related tasks. It says, what will my responsibilities include once you join this job with this company? Analyze fraud alert queues for suspicious activities. Contact financial institutions regarding suspicious merchant deposits. Updates investigation database with financial institution responses, verifies authorizations via return calls from cardholders, contacts financial institutions regarding suspicious cardholder activities, resolves suspicious phone calls transferred from customer service, participates in department initiatives to improve efficiencies. And your education level that you will have to have for this job is a high school diploma. The experience you will have to have for this job is 1 or more years of fraud experience or previous banking or related field experience. Strong PC skills with strong knowledge of Microsoft Office applications. Excellent customer service skills that build high levels of customer satisfaction. Excellent verbal and written communication skills. Ability to work both independently and in a team environment. The schedule will be 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Remote position, however, you must live in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Once again, they state that, so they are very lenient on having someone who's a resident of Milwaukee, Wisconsin area or from so you can apply there within that state. They're applying within the state for this company called Interactive Resources LLC for this position as a remote fraud specialist. Interactive Resources IR was built to provide a personalized approach to solve client and candidate needs while building sustaining relationships in a world where technology advances by the minute. Relationships are the variable that cannot be substituted with software. Founded in 2006 in Jacksonville, Florida, Interactive Resources, that's the name of the company. IR is Interactive Resources, has grown year over year, expanding across the United States. IR was found on the principles of honesty, trust, and dedication. We take pride in the relationships we have built and continue to build, and we are dedicated to delivering the superior results that our clients and candidates come to expect and desire. We love what we do. So this job, it pays $18 to $20 per hour for Wisconsin residents, and you have to live within Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Wisconsin to be specific. And the benefits, once again, is 401k plan, dental insurance, health insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. And this is an 8-hour shift position. It's a day shift. It's Monday to Friday. Experience you have to have fraud, 1 year preferred, banking, 1 year preferred. And they're hiring for 3 candidates for this role, and they're urgently hiring. And they just posted this today. So if it seems like a job that you would like to get into, which is with the company Interactive Resources LLC. The company's name is Interactive Resources LLC, based out in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They're only hiring within that area. It's remote. For this remote fraud specialist position, are Wisconsin residents, but it's more so leaning to Milwaukee residents. But you can probably take your shot at probably applying if you are within Wisconsin. Now, the next job that I have lined up is a cash application specialist. It's LLH Recruitment Solutions. The name of the company is LLH Recruitment Solutions. And the job role will be cash application specialist. It's based out in Jacksonville, Florida. It's a remote position, and it's $18 an hour. It's a part-time job, you guys. And the experience that you'll need for this job is people soft skills. And the job description is here. This is a contract position filling in for permanent employee. This would be a remote position working with a group through MS Teams, Microsoft Teams. Work hours would be 7 a.m. through 4:30 p.m., but very flexible. Pay rate is $18 per hour. It's a part-time job, you guys. Jump on it. Job details. Pull bank reports, data entry, work closely with the client services team, ability to look at billing and reconcile, repetitive work, working with smaller payments but high volume, 200 plus payments per day. Excel, needs to understand Excel and they can train on advanced functions. 8 people on the team, very tenured group. Training will be one-on-one through MS Teams. Background, AR, but not call center collections background. PeopleSoft experience would be ideal but not required. Process daily receipts, ensuring prompt and accurate recording of payments to customer accounts. Research and address unapplied and unallocated receipts. Collaborate effectively with credit, collections, and billing teams. Assist in month-ending end reporting of discounts, write-offs, and bank fees. Identify and communicate customer account issues. Preferred qualifications for the cash applications role. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. High volume cash application. High volume cash application. 1 through 2 years prior cash application experience working in a medium to large corporation, and drug and background check is required. Equal opportunity employers, veterans and disabled. They are equal opportunity employees, you guys. They just got posted today. This job, we got it posted today. It's LHH Recruitment Solutions, and the job role will be cash applications specialist. So if it seems like something you would like to do, jump on these 2 jobs, you guys. And that'll be all for this video. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below if you have got hired on with any of these jobs, and give me a great update. These opportunities are knocking you guys at these doors. Open these positive doors, get your foot in the door. Never know until you apply. And keep your head up, keep on shining, keep sparkling. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this, let's go. We got this. Come on, you guys, let's go. I'll see you guys on the next video.